I found a pearl. Now, by getting it, I should be able to win the game, except when I pick it up, nothing happens. Well, that's okay. We can fix this pretty easily using the UME Toolkit. I just need to select the pearl, and in the inspector, scroll to the bottom and click Add Component. I can add one of our UI triggers. The UI trigger lets us choose a lot of different behaviors. Under type, I do have the option to pick win. So this means that when I get the pearl, I'll win the game. As long as I set my activation tag, that means what has to touch the pearl? Well, it's the player, my sub. And I can give it a message that says, you found the pearl. Yay. I also have to check and make sure that is trigger is set on my collider. Let's test it out. Nice job! We found the pearl and won the game.